what advice would you have for them to pitch this idea of leveraging and using this framework in their team to get the buy-in that they need to execute or test this idea in their environment?
So clarity and confidence are really two pieces of the puzzle. Teams do need to translate the experiment into business speak. You need to be clearly showing how this is helping either your individual performance, your team performance, or the performance of your operating unit, whatever you're in. You need to be able to model that out. And so the good news is that by experimenting, we can create these models. We can basically say, if X, then Y, then Z, then we get A. And we can give ranges of predictions with certain levels of certainty or accuracy, right? So think about the undergraduate, research methods class that many of you might have had. Those types of principles are going to be really important in how you articulate your ask, your appeal, your proposal. Show the before after story with metrics that matter. It doesn't take much. It, might take a 2-part slide that says, this is the pre, this is the post, this is what, a type of impact we're looking at. And then I encourage people to make proposals as experimentation investments. Frame it as more testing, more experimentation, just at a bigger level. And, dialogue with the governance entity about what metrics we want to use to make the decisions about whether this is working well, moderately, or poorly. And then, from there, because you want to be a responsible innovator.